This is a review of how to create your own John Deere Operations Center account with TELUS Equipment Solutions. You can do this over the web or from Operations Center mobile. All of these applications can be found on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store for download. Let's go ahead and get started. Navigate to operationscenter.deere.com. Select Create an Account. To start, we'll need to create your username. All required information is indicated by an asterisk. We will need to populate details about your operations plus standard user account. Take your time to think of a username. Usernames can be an email address, however, you will not be able to edit or change your email address if it is used as your username. Submit your email address for verification. A verification code will be available in your inbox and valid for 30 minutes. Please be patient and check your spam folder if you do not see the email. Enter the code and press the email verification button. Add your name, phone number, and address. Select Create Password. If prompted, select the correct formatting for your address. Create a password that follows all provided guidelines. Verify your password. Once completed, select Create Password. Think of your organization as a team that includes your equipment, staff, and partners. You can change the organization name here and specify if this is for a commercial business or if the address is different than the user account. If that is the case, you will be guided to add that in this step. For this example, the address will remain the same and we will select Next. Please accept the terms and conditions by scrolling to the bottom of the page and selecting the checkbox and clicking Next. For this example, let's add one piece of equipment. You can manually enter the serial number or scan the barcode. Once scanned, the system will auto-populate from a mobile device. If you do not have the serial number, select I do not have a serial number. Provide the name and model of the equipment. Select the equipment model and change the icon if you desire. JD-Link connectivity is available on new John Deere equipment, older equipment with qualifying hardware, and non-John Deere equipment. Select the Automatically Activate JD-Link Connectivity checkbox if eligible, then select Add Equipment. If you're buying equipment that has JD-Link connectivity from TELUS Equipment, we will transfer your equipment over to your account once a relationship is established with our organization. This is known as a partnership and is discussed in another video. Please accept the terms and conditions by scrolling to the bottom of the page and selecting the checkbox and clicking Accept. You can add additional equipment or select Done once all your desired equipment is added. Next, you are guided to choose a dealer. The system will recommend a preferred dealer based on the user's physical address. Please select your dealer of choice and confirm information sharing. Sharing information with TELUS Equipment is key to unlocking the full potential of your newly created John Deere Operations Center account and ensuring you are kept abreast of the status of your equipment. By providing access to your equipment details, location alerts, and diagnostic trouble codes, you empower us to proactively support you. This ensures seamless over-the-air activations and smooth data synchronization, keeping your equipment running at its best. Plus, by sharing this information, you'll be able to easily complete your setup and make the most of all the features available to you. Let us help you get the most out of your equipment. Simple, efficient, and hassle-free. You're almost complete. Once confirmed, the system will prompt you with a "You are all set" message displaying your name, address, organization, equipment, and dealership information. Select Done. You will now be guided to the Operations Center webpage where you can get started with home or stay on the map. Please call 830-224-4277 to get in contact with one of TELUS Equipment's Agricultural Management Systems representatives.